Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Your final take on mining.
Mami, asaba America Baby, I could do no. Community mining contributed to this challenge. Where we are getting to, because in fact the government
is it community mining contributed
to this to the level I have to these issues I can see so say no.
How?
Okay, before I do community mining, there was a report say ya stop Galamsey. So, as they say, a major mining, community mining, and a yejuma. So how come? Nanka, I was expecting say, on my report, I say, community mining by any benefit ban and a gun and ya free more. They should give us a report. Say, yeah, community mining, no. Yeah, the area where a community mining. Omuya mudia no because a community mining they did it well. Because of omuya community mining, no. I don't know, but baby, who say I say no, and your community mining, they should tell us.
I have found a musa. Me too.
The entity as they say, I got to even she excavator, say mining, say so na say be no. I'm saying is a community mining now, yanti me and protecting the it was contributing to these issues. This stage I do and there, can say yes, stop she excavators. I'm expecting say community mining now we be and you know my any lot of kwanya ya without problem. They should give us that report. They will say community mining is the way to go because I don't know because they are stopping everybody. In fact, first Ochini Ekache Nonado say community mining is Galamsey in disguise on record. Even though I pass a mayor, ambulance share but it has not served the purpose. It has not served the purpose. That is what we are talking about. It has not served the purpose because they have abused that system. And there, in so the level, in so the I am more.
But the community mine, no more to assume.
If I don't, me say, and then maybe I say, Obin Chile me say, community mining. Debut. You see, the issue of this nation by Galam say, your community mining. Buying it.
As a community mining, you assume. And how you assume.
You see, in your mining, be a so move. But all in your man because of Munsono. We are mining Benin Sono, when you're in Sono, a free so at
the nearest water.
So,
no. The nearest river.
What you
so we need know how now. It's a small scale manners in particular. Minimum beer on one issue or creative
issue. Our horror now.
Oh, yeah. You should crowd or sorry finding no maybe good water.
What's it?
Some man ya making. Oko baby we are very clean lands now. You catch yourself.
I am mining.
I won't believe it. But it's a small scale mining in this country.
That is where maybe that is where this association for no. You cannot blame them much on their protest. That is if the idea okay, the sadia, then we cannot just blame their protest or more threats, you know. Maybe I didn't MPP or multi protest pair na a harm. No, because of a protest, let's say a match. Protest any match. Protest is in any form. Okay, then a protest. I can say me a protest. Minkasa. COVID best affect no. So I say protest a week way. Protest a year No, they said they will protest. What a moment explanation.
I would say they will face their wrath. The government will face their wrath.
Then a wrath.
The wrath could be in any form.
Any form. So don't go to COVID. Don't go into COVID yet. But but so if you don't understand maybe there's also where they are coming from. Uber and say they are threats, you know, and because I had the opportunity to listen to the president. No, can say. Abai kache him so be anja mining no. They have stopped. Obia stop.
Okay.
Ebi muka parking from say omo excavator no e was site.
Okay.
Eno na umbe shit. Ebi no ya shi ebi mu on that basis. So on that ones na omo shi ebi ya no e ya omo how. Because obi kwa po no ta make say stop no. I feel on the track eco fat machine. They be say no. Omo say eno a problem. So they should stop on that one.
Yeah, show the yes I do so
In fact, unim. That is what in fact Mami almost say almost for inventory. And they have two options. But for them to have that opportunity, the government to stop first. Because almost they say yashi omunyama no fear.
Okay.
A bill of site. In fact, these are some of the arguments they are doing. In fact, they said I was say, you say Mra was say obi ya there enya cheno seize the machine. They don't have the problem with that one. We are not supporting them. Okay. But in a Kanyama ebe Yaina on these issues. Okay. But these are the issues Omoka say. Nanka yen stop. Yes, stop wa. They won't any no stop him. They just stop be a friend and for machine free site no ebano. Because obi man they say.
Sa a lack of supervision on the part of government na ema yentimi take a definite decision on.
Me see the answer is simple. Political will. No.
Me say more money problem.
Oh, Tio, unim. So me say political will. And your madi what in China. Why a politician no. But the politician want to me say for you Jumabi. Who support in fact it is now fine what to me. Me in the Bibia bar. Eba be ya krapo no Rebecca say madi e bia China me shentina me kanesa. But he said to me be obi ho. That to me no oh but to me no when maybe I want there eba galamsea and say mine na ye say asase oko asase any nsuo a ye no we can resolve it by political will. Okay. But we can still go back there to do the mining asana honorable eka say ye ebia minus 10 be Abankaba Afesika Asomase. Say gold there will from. Yama musika, in fact, you could just cut 10 billion at the minus. Say any year amamo. Within 2 years, they can raise that 10 billion back to the government. Okay. Ebia Yabamus program Amatima Ghanaians, Ebia Mudi minus 20 at the back. Because this multi-million mining companies way and they are different groups come together to do what they are doing. Okay. So we can also do the same say Ebia. The idea of community mind. Maybe you can go beyond and say, okay, yempe sika emwa. But yen say, hey, mun cut down. And so say, about tita a soro no. Maybe mun cut down. Abambe bua ama. Once we are doing this one, we are reclaiming the land for other issues. Because we can be at one point to get gold, to do whatever we want to do. So, a political war. It's a net the political will to more. We can all go to advise each other how to get it done. Right in the issues so nobody is disputing say but we're also giving you advice that is why we are going but advice say now do it also would do presidency so but one my politicians do him go one tier go that's the issue by you know. You see, just be issue by no. You see, fire no. Fire example. I forgot just be in English. English. That is the time I want to meet on one penny. Now you are not promoting him, so they feel say you can't do anything about it. With Ghana first approach.
That is not true.
On to go.
On to no coin. Okay, be a war holidays. I was Saudi Arabia. Not to say president about no.
Oh, who the president come? Now come here, make because who the feedback coming?
Why the feedback come?
And just bisu. You see, no, but it didn't speak well to the president. You know, say
That's a basic chance. You need to know coin. Now, my penny alcohol.
now
visit na oko ho bi ni se nkoko ho ana o se ko en kama mpanyi pa no
court be na
Can go be join bejo but Anas COVID
Jibril honorable the ceasefire Jibril according to asema a wo kan wo se
ono na wo kan se o omo na omo ye sorry sa o me the minimum say o man peni program na wo ko ye Chasibisu ti program no bi and because this is for somebody I will say oh man for say so Ghana the president shouldn't entertain him close to him.
Eti kokko on kama banyi mpamo no.
Kwampe ni enwe go go prison ndi o man.
Reverse na wo ko no. Oh reverse na wo ko no. Oh reverse.
O prison kwa mo ba mo.
Eye mi de o say eye mi de pass. Eye mi de pass o di call reverse. Honorable eye mi de. Honorable honorable.
Every Ghanaian bia.
Oh ma me kai we type. Wo de tubo. Tell me o. So simple. Oh, chopa. You are chow. Nanchechi, go to Ben Abunu. I'm a Pamuno free sports ministry.
Why am I Pamuno free sports ministry? You see, there he goes again. DFA Abandia. DFA Abandia.
In fact, the president, I can say, well, good and woofy. No, this is the president so.
Yes, and
in fact, my Ghana police at GFA. Ghana police went and locked GFA office. During that time,
you missing the issues.
Let me say that to mommy.
You are missing the issues. You are missing the issues. FIFA, I don't know that against him. No, and the coffers answer be bring about. Why do you want to bring the government in there?
Me say 90. And I see video near who you know. Ronaldo. A minimum no pa na kuma ebahano blood pressure behano krapo
because no aboni din direct
Chasibisu na now do appoint you now we are doing Ronaldo say we protect no now the Ronaldo office the bribe video no we no pa cha na obokala na woso
what is also this ka command
25,000
so the command Ronaldo
now why na we mama
why
Debio once Ronaldo did not punish him, it means maybe Ronaldo didn't be. That's how we say it.
Must have meant to garage issues.
Alabio, me to me try me say, baby, and can solve our problem. No, that is where the beginning. We had opportunity. In fact, it is when the journalists and everybody say, "You go Mampeni, aye, Mampeni, who I didn't know, Bakunye, show the way." In fact, Nanka was starting salon one.
Baby, how was he to show the way? Who now say Mampeni person and go to Tunkuru.
Sounds a Jibril or setting up committee to look into it.
Oh, Nana the committee there. The way now a committee no one clear mo.
And you no clear committee no.
Nanado, me say Nanado. Since oba committee ben na was set ya mu hu ade a one clear mo. I was West World go me committee Nanado the ejuma. And Abdul, mami.
Yes, for the ejuma.
The now recommendation be no there. Ba ku ben and use we.
Oh, emu bebre.
The ba ku ben na we here.
Emu bebre. Hwe.
The won ko ji tu obo say police.
Saka a committee
last words to
me issue this white paper on it.
And I may say
not part of the law.
In fact,
last words.
In fact, now the crowd to me my recommendation say obi show before bonaso. Over report no. When they are responding to the issue, was it anger? In fact, we spoke about those issues. When it comes to our wise robo, they haven't not done anything. Tell me, I was wise robo. Me say,
white paper no so. And I'm penny recommend this will be issue before bonasum.
Now, we are MP so 1 year and then another picture white paper.
Last words.
Why you didn't act on it? Was it why I did open so many things can do also? And I do the other no. Into a committee 1 year also.
Your last word.
Me na miss
me no parliament. Ayi kombo ahi asumuno. Mo ya ne dey.
Ye MP.
Mo MPs me parliament on the floor ayi
Tanko.
And on board ahi
parliament.
E boy MP ase.
Mo speaker the
MP boy ase.
Yes.
And on hu ye.
Oso e dey.
And a report am.
But
we no obi a what baby o boy MP asom. Na ye ba wan peni so wan peni we wo bo obi asom o. White paper no an so obi aso. Papa ntro aso. I say so you be phone team man mention you. No.
Sara mampanyi tro.
Na wan dey no tro.
Baje bre.
Na bi o wan so be bia no. It say what so so. So why are the power some fruit. Oh, no do be that.
That's so bad.
Utie Oha Echi Pongno. Needs FM.